how you doing? Here's a video that you requested for this salmon. So, I have this defrosting for the morning in this bag. Are we going to focus on it? Let me see if it's going to focus. There we go. So, right now, I'm going to give my little salmon, I'm going to take it out of this bag finally, give it a little bath, so it can be clean, of course. So, I usually have my little plastic bag somewhere on deck when I'm cooking. To have my little stuff there, I'm sure you do it too. So, this I'm probably going to cut. Can you see it? It's so bright on the screen. Okay, I'm going to probably cut at some point after the seasoning. So I'm going to just bathe it with some water and a lemon. Full salmon here. And then I just like to go in my cupboard and take out one great seasoning at a time. So I have a feeling like the way how we layer it too makes it taste better. So I'm going to start off with some paprika. Usually I start off with salt and pepper. But let me just do something different. So just doing that. Give it a little massage before I go to the next one. That helps it taste even better too. Massaging it. And that paprika is like a smoky one. So here we go, got my pepper. It's gonna end up tasting so good. Alright, a little more. And some salt. Again, smoothing that in. Alright, and I usually leave my seasonings down here until I'm about to be done so I don't reuse them. I have this seasoning as well. Seasoned salt. I know people usually try to stay away from this, but I just put this a little bit. Massage it in as well. Alrighty, and my garlic. I use some probably some brand from Aldi's. Maybe got some from somewhere else. Massaging that in the corners, in the front of it. Then I have my minced onion as well. Even though this probably won't stay on that well. Just never want to leave it out. Basically it, and then I'm going to add my Salmon, or my accent, to it. It's usually a little bit open from the last use. I usually have like halfway for each one, and I massage that in as well. Okay, then this is where I will begin to use the honey. I have this honey here, but I'm sure it doesn't matter. I've used this honey as well. So here it is, just putting it on there like this. Then I make sure to massage it in again. It's going to get really sticky right now. Massaging it everywhere. Because this is the seasoning that is going to seal the deal for everything that came before it. Here it is. Look at how it looks already. Already has some color to it. Now, I sometimes use... Oh gosh, this is taking too long. I sometimes use... soy sauce before the honey, but now I'm going to put it after because last time it came out really nice when I put it after. And I am going to massage that in. I didn't put too much soy sauce on it, just enough that you can tell that it's there. Up at the top again. And then I'm going to cook it in a frying pan. I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes so everything can just get loved and massaged a little bit more. And then I'm going to put it in a frying pan and close it up. I might cut it before so it can cook faster, and that's basically what I do. Okay.
Also, just going to add my olive oil to it, and here's the pot that I'll be using. I totally forgot to add the lime, so I just spread it across the top while it's in the pot. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the taste because I usually squeeze that on the salmon first, and then the other seasonings can help, you know, saturate whatever scientific stuff, you know. Oh gosh. Here's the end result. I kind of broke them down even more in the pot. There's a little piece taken off here to make sure it was tasting right. So it had like there's a kick to it. I don't know what seasoning I use that is leaving it, but look how steamy and beautiful it is. Maybe I should have added some broccoli to this presentation. Hope you enjoyed. Ending results. We have the salmon, mashed potatoes, cabbage with honey broccoli, and